Hello fellow vegans, it's Paul from Vegans Alive. This week I'm going to show you guys how to make some Asian inspired seitan, and it is ridiculous. I kind of actually accidentally stumbled on this little recipe and it is awesome. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So I took a little block of seitan that I made last night and I'm just going to slice it up. Seitan is chopped into strips, so let's get it in the pan. Add a little bit of olive oil to a pan. Get your seitan ready. Drop your seitan right in there. Gonna let that sizzle for just about a minute or so. Okay, here's what you need to make this super awesome. Try to find some of this ABC medium sweet soy sauce. It's more like teriyaki. It's kind of thick and a little sweet. And it is super awesome. I got it at a Asian market in Lancaster, California. And next step, gochujang ketchup. This gives it a little red color and adds a little heat to it. So here we go. Let's just pour some on there. Don't be shy with this stuff. Yeah. Then number part 2. Get that in there real good. Give it a little stir around. Oh, it smells so good. Woo! Look at that. Magic. So the sugar from all that sauce there caramelizes around the seitan and gives it just awesome flavor. So I'm going to put it on some rice and I'm going to eat it. So here we go. All right, you only need to let that cook 3 or 4 minutes. Turn the heat off. Let it cool down a little bit and it will be ready to serve. Whipped up a little bit of rice and some vegetables. Now we're going to put the seitan on. That looks awesome. And of course, my favorite, a little bit of sriracha on there. Chopped green onions. Oh yeah. A little bit of black pepper. And I got some tamari. Don't need too much tamari, just a little bit. A little bit on the side there. And I am good to go. So, alright, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy it. The seitan recipe is down below. This is the same seitan I make all the time. Just modified it with a couple different ingredients there in a pan with some oil and fried it, and it is super awesome. So I'm gonna dig in. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and come back for more recipes for some vegan food that actually tastes good. Thank you.